Today, let us see what digital voltmeters are. Already we have seen what the digital instruments are. So, digital instruments, which represent the measured value in the form of digital numbers, is known as the digital instruments. It works on the principle of quantization. The quantization is the process of converting the continuous input signal into a countable output signal. So the instruments that are used to express the measuring quantity in numeric format known as the digital instruments. So quantization is the basis of working of digital instruments. It is an act of transforming an analog signal into its digital form. So digital instruments are composed of logic circuits that carry out measurement of the quantities. Due to several advantages of digital instruments such as the high speed, the errorless results, the better resolution and greater accuracy over analog instruments, the popularity of digital instruments are increasing rapidly. Also, digital instruments display the measured quantity in discrete numerals, thereby eliminating the parallax error, reducing the human errors associated with analog pointer instruments. In general, digital instruments have superior accuracy compared to analog pointer instruments, and many incorporate automatic polarity and range indication, which reduces the operator's training, the measurement error, and the possible instrument damage through overload or the wrong polarity connections, etc. In addition to these, features, many digital instruments have an output facility enabling permanent records of the measurements to be made automatically. So as we have already seen, the digital instrument basic circuits involve the use of the logic gates and the flip-flops. So a logic gate is a circuit that produces a desired high or low output voltage when its several input terminals are all at the prescribed high or low input voltage levels. So the digital instruments are rapidly replacing the analog instruments because of their easy readability, better resolution, and high accuracy. These digital instruments display the output in the numerical form, that is in digital form. Digital instruments are used to measure the voltage, the current, the power, frequency, etc. To enable digital instruments to recognize information inputs which are analog in nature must be converted to digital form. Hence, any digital instrument consists of an analog to digital converter in its input stage, the basic building of the digital instruments. Next, we have a signal processing device and the display. So any digital instrument may consist of resistors, capacitors, the transistors, linear ICs, digital ICs, the display devices, analog to digital converters, digital to analog converters, etc. The display block may be analog or digital in nature. If analog readout is required, a stage involving digital to analog conversion can be included before the display. So already we have seen the advantages of digital instruments over the analog instruments. So here the digital instruments are superior to analog instruments because of the high accuracy, the smaller in size, the low power consumption, high frequency range, detection of low level signals, the high durability, good visual readout, good quality with no human reading errors, no parallax errors. Also, they have the high input range with the automatic range selection and the overload indication. The input impedance is high. The resolution of digital instruments is better compared to analog instruments. The output in digital form can be directly recorded and it is suitable for further processing also with the development of IC chips. The cost, the size and power requirement of digital instruments are drastically reduced. So when the various instruments in using the digital technique are, we have the digital voltmeters, we have the digital multimeters, we have the digital frequency meters, we have the digital LCR meters, we have the digital CROs, etc. When you come to digital voltmeters are essentially analog to digital converters with digital displays to indicate the measured voltage. The digital multimeters are electronic voltmeters, multimeters with digital displays. So digital voltmeters are measuring instruments that convert analog voltage signal into a digital signal. The digital voltmeter is a versatile and accurate instrument that can be used in many laboratory measurement applications. So already we have seen the classification of digital voltmeters. So digital voltmeters can be classified as the ramp type digital voltmeter, the dual slope integrating type digital voltmeter, the integrating type digital voltmeter, the staircase ramp digital voltmeter, the successive approximation digital voltmeter, the continuous balance type digital voltmeter. So these are the different digital voltmeters. We'll be studying about the ramp type digital voltmeter in this topics. So any digital voltmeter is capable of measuring analog DC voltages. However, with appropriate signal conditioners preceding the input of the digital voltmeter, AC voltages, resistances, DC and AC currents, temperature and pressure can also be measured. So the common element in all these signal conditioners is the DC voltage, which is proportional to the level of the unknown quantity being measured. This DC output is then measured by the DVM. DVMs have various features such as speed, automation, operation, and programmability. The DVM displays AC and DC voltages as discrete numbers rather than as a pointer on a continuous scale as in an analog voltmeter. A numerical readout is advantageous because it reduces human error, it eliminates the parallax error, it increases the reading speed and often provides output signal in digital form suitable for further processing and recording. With the development of IC modules, the size, the power requirements and cost of DVMs have been reduced so that DVMs compete with analog voltmeters in portability and size. The digital voltmeters are classified mainly based on the technique. They are the ramp type digital voltmeter, the successive approximation type voltmeter, dual slope integrating type digital voltmeter. So here now if we speak about the ramp type digital voltmeter, the principle on which it works is based on the time it takes for a linear ramp voltage to rise from 0 volts to the level of the input voltage or to fall from the level of the input voltage to 0. I am repeating. The operating principle of a ramp type digital voltmeter is based on the time it takes for a linear ramp voltage to rise from 0 volts to the level of the input voltage or to fall from the level of the input voltage to 0. So this time period is measured with an electronic time interval counter and the count is displayed as the number of digits on an indicating tube or display. Basically, a ramp type digital voltmeter consists of a linear ramp which is positive going or negative going. The range of the ramp is plus or minus 12 volts while the base range is plus or minus 10 volts. In this case, a negative ramp has been selected. The operating principle and the block diagram of ramp type digital voltmeter is shown in this figure. So here, if you see the construction, we have the DC input signal which has to be measured through a ranging switch and an attenuator. It is given to an input comparator. The output of the input comparator is a start pulse which is given to one of the inputs of the gate circuit. Next, we have a ground comparator with one of the inputs as a ramp generator, which is also given to the input comparator. The other terminal of the ground comparator is grounded. The output of the ground comparator is a stop pulse given to the gate. The gate is given an output of an oscillator. A sample rate multivibrator whose output is given to the ramp generator is also connected to a counter. The output of the gate is given to the counter, which reads the number of pulses and then given out to display the reading. So as I told you, consists of a ranging attenuator which is used to select the required range of measurement, a ramp generator which is used to generate the ramp voltage, an input comparator continuously compares the DC input voltage with the internally generated ramp voltage, the ground comparator which compares the ramp voltage with the ground voltage, that is 0 volts. A counter is used to count the number of pulses generated by the oscillator. The readout gives the digital display. When you speak about the working of the ramp generator, at the start of measurement cycle, the ramp voltage is initiated. Generally, negative going ramp is used. The negative going ramp is continuously compared with unknown input voltage. So these are the waveforms of a ramp generator. You can see the start of measurement, the slope, negative slope of the ramp, the gating time interval, and the clock pulses to the counter. So once the input voltage and the ramp are at the same level, then the gate is open and the clock pulses are counted by the counter. Here, when the ramp voltage is equal to unknown voltage, the input comparator generates the pulse, start pulse, which opens the gate. Next, the ramp voltage continues to decrease with time until it finally reaches 0 volts. When the ramp voltage reaches 0 volts, the ground comparator generates an output pulse, stop pulse, which closes the gate. So an oscillator generates the clock pulses which are allowed to pass through the gate. The decade counter counts the number of pulses. Finally, the decimal number displayed is a measure of the magnitude of the input voltage. The sample rate multivibrator provides initiating pulse for ramp generator to start its next ramp. At some time, the multivibrator provides reset pulse to reset the counter. So to sum up, as we have seen, The principle of ramp type digital voltmeter is based on the measurement of the time that a linear ramp voltage takes to change from 0 volts to the level of the input voltage, or to decrease the level of the input voltage to 0. This time period is measured with an electronic time interval counter, and the count is displayed as a number of digits on an indicating tube or display. Basically, a ramp type digital voltmeter consists of a linear ramp which is positive going or negative going. The range of the ramp is plus or minus 12 volts, while the base range is plus or minus 10 volts. In this case, a negative ramp has been selected. The operating principle and block diagram of ramp type digital voltmeters are shown. When you speak about the working of the ramp type digital voltmeter, at the start of the measurement, a ramp voltage is initiated, the counter is reset to 0, and the sample rate multivibrator gives a pulse which initiates the ramp generator. The ramp voltage is continuously compared with the voltage that is being measured. At the instant these two voltages becomes equal, a coincident circuit generator generates a pulse which opens a gate. That is, the input comparator generates a start pulse. The ramp continues until the second comparator circuit senses that the ramp has reached 0 value. The ground comparator compares the ramp with the ground. When the ramp voltage equals 0 or reaches ground potential, the ground comparator generates a stop pulse. The output pulse from this comparator closes the gate. The time duration of the gate opening is proportional to the input voltage value. In the time interval between the start and stop pulses, the gate opens and the oscillator circuit drives the counter. The magnitude of the count indicates the magnitude of the input voltage which is displayed by the readout. Therefore, the voltage is converted into time and the time count represents the magnitude of the voltage. The sample rate multivibrator determines the rate of cycle of measurements. A typical value is 5 measuring cycles per second with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.005% of the reading. The sample rate circuit provides an initiating pulse for the ramp generator to start its next ramp voltage. At the same time, a reset pulse is generated which resets the counter to the 0 state. So this is about the ramp type digital voltmeter, which is using a negative going ramp with the start and stop pulses to start the counter and stop the counter. The counter output which is given to a readout which displays the voltage in terms of the numerals. Here we have seen we have two comparators, the input comparator and the ground comparator. When the ramp is 0, the ground comparator produces a stop pulse for the gate to stop. So the different ranges can be obtained by using an attenuator at the input of the voltmeter, as we see same way as for an analog voltmeter. So this is how the ramp generator type of digital voltmeter works. Now, if you see the advantages of the ramp type digital voltmeter, the ramp type digital voltmeter is easy to design and its cost is low. The ramp requires excellent characteristics regarding linearity of the ramp and the time measurement. The output pulses can be transmitted over long feeder lines. These are the advantages of the ramp type digital voltmeter. When you speak about the disadvantages, large errors are possible when noise is superimposed on the input signal. The input filters are required for the reduction of noise. So to summarize, we have seen what the digital voltmeters are, how they are classified, what is the ramp type of digital voltmeter, on what principle it works, the advantages of digital voltmeter, the disadvantages of the digital voltmeter. So to sum up, the advantages of the ramp type digital voltmeter is the circuit is easy to design, its cost is low, the single ramp requires excellent characteristics regarding linearity of the ramp and time measurement. The disadvantages of ramp type digital voltmeter are the large errors are possible when noise is superimposed on the input signal. So when this noise interprets our input signal, then it may be measured or the reading may be wrong. It may be giving out the reading of the noise also along with the input signal, which is nothing but an error. So input filters are required for reduction of noise. So the designing part and the cost part, it may increase slightly. So this is about the ramp type digital voltmeter. So just to brief up, the ramp type digital voltmeter principle is that it is based on the measurement of the time that a linear ramp voltage takes to change from 0 to the level of the input voltage or to decrease the level of the input voltage to 0. This time period is measured with an electronic time interval counter, and the count is displayed as the number of digits on an indicating tube or the display. Basically, the ramp type digital voltmeter consists of a linear ramp which is positive going or negative going. The range of the ramp is plus or minus 12 volts, while the base range is plus or minus 10 volts. In this case, a negative ramp has been selected. So this is about the ramp type digital voltmeter. As we have seen, the block diagram consists of the input voltage to be measured, the ranging attenuator, the input comparator, the sample rate multivibrator, the ramp generator, the ground comparator, the input comparator, the oscillator, the gate which has got the start pulse and stop pulse, the counter which counts the number of pulses, the output of the gate which is allowed to the counter, and finally the digital readout which gives the reading of or the measurement of the input voltage level. Thank you.